Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long, but here I am to show you guys how to do this beautiful green eyes glam. So the first thing that I do is I always start with my eyebrows, and I'm taking my Benefits Precisely My Brow Pencil and just barely running this through. I don't really fill my eyebrows in too much because I like more of a natural finish. And next, I'm just going to comb them a little bit and prime my eyes with MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer and NC35. It's very long wearing. I'm going to be doing the eyes today using Jaclyn's Hills palette with Morphe. This is from her Volt collection. And I'm grabbing that yellow and just using it as my transition, softly stamping it at first and then building the color up. I'm next taking that green in that palette, which is beautiful, and focusing it on my outer corner at first and then building it up into my crease. Here I'm just taking a little bit of that matte concealer and cutting my crease area with it to prep it for this beautiful shimmer called Coin. And I'm just going to apply this. I did about 2 layers of this eyeshadow so it can be very metallic. Now I'm grabbing a little bit more of that green and I'm deepening it just to make it a lot more vibrant. And here I'm just taking a little bit of that matte brown shadow shade and I'm winging out my eye in the outer corner. Then following along with this loose shimmer by Hank & Henry Beauty just to amplify that gold. And here I'm wiping away any fallout with the Neutrogena wipe, then moisturizing with one of my moisturizers by Clarins. Any moisturizer will do. And I'm color correcting with MAC's Pro Longwear Concealer in NW35. This has a really nice peachy undertone which cancels out blue or gray very nicely. Now I'm taking my favorite foundation at the moment. This is Dior Airflash, and I put it mostly around my beard shadow area, and then I kind of stipple it on with the brush at first. I do this just to really push in the product into the skin and to get most of the use of it rather than just taking a sponge and absorbing the product. But I will still grab a beauty blender and kind of buff that away as I'm doing that right now. So you guys can see, now I'm grabbing my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and NC35. This is a nice little yellowy undertone concealer, and I'm just highlighting my under eyes. I never take it too far out from my outer edge of my eyes, and I take that and blend it immediately. Then I follow up with the rest of my highlight areas, which are my forehead, nose, chin, and just blend that away. This is my favorite translucent powder at the moment. This is Ben Nice Fair. It's very thin, and I use a little bit to set my under eyes, and then I bake the sides of my nose, and the remaining powder, I just put it around my shadow area. Now lately I've been bronzing my face with this MAC Mineralize powder in dark. I love how it makes my face look, and I kind of press it on at first since I didn't powder this area of my face so that I don't wipe away any of the foundation or create any streaks. And I also put that under my nose. And now I'm grabbing the Shade and Light palette, and I use this to further enhance my cheeks with a really big blending brush by Morphe. And of course I take it on my jawline, under my nose, under my lips, and a little bit on the sides of my eyes to kind of pre-contour my nose. So I took that Kat Von D peach shade right there to kind of further highlight, and I'm also further highlighting under my cheeks. This is gonna enhance that contour more. And I'm gonna follow kind of the same steps that I followed on the top of my eyes, but on the bottom. Grabbing that loose shimmer again and using it as my main highlight for my inner corners. And here I'm taking Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter with this small blending brush for a more precise application. Following along with one of my favorite blushes by MAC called Peaches. I also make sure to brush that through my forehead, my nose, and my chin a little bit because this just really balances out the look. So next you just want to curl your eyelashes and follow with your favorite mascara. And I'm just applying a pair of falsies that I just had laying around, but these are really beautiful. Now I'm grabbing KKW Beauty's lip liner and Nude 1.5. I've been testing this out. I've been really liking it because it's just a very true nude, especially for my skin tone. And I'm going just above my lip line a little bit and then filling the rest of the lip in, following it with Henk & Henry's liquid lipstick in the shade 1985. I kind of stipple it on first, blend it up with my finger, and then I'm just gonna take this gloss by the same brand called Presidential to enhance it a little bit more. This gloss is really pretty. It has some gold shimmer in it, and this completes the final look. I hope you guys liked it and learned a little something. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.